What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last upload, but I'm back with more presets and more tutorials. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Keep me motivated to make more content. With that being said, let's get straight into the preset pack. Alright, so we're in Premiere Pro and I'm going to show you how to import the presets real quick. And the first thing you want to do is import your preset. But you go up to your effects control panel, hit the little three lines right there at the top. You go to import preset. Find wherever you saved your preset at and upload it. I already got it in here, so I'm not gonna do that. Then we're gonna go to our two clips where we want to transition in between. This is the 10 frame preset, so you just need 10 frames. So I'm gonna go to the middle of the two clips I want to transition in between. Hold shift, hit the left arrow key one time to go back 5 frames, make a cut. Go back to the middle of the two clips. Hold shift, hit the right arrow key one time, make a cut. And I'm gonna nest both of my clips together. And I'm gonna go to my effects panel and type in A32 visuals with a Z. Find your A32 effects pack 2. Drag any preset you want to. I'm gonna start with Echo Flash. Drag it onto your nested clip. Play it back, and this is what you get. Cool little Echo Flash. To save time, I already nested a couple of more clips. I'm gonna just show you what these presets look like. I'm gonna go ahead and drag my flash blur plus RGB on there. This is what that look like. Now I'm gonna throw my flash blur, play that back so you can see what that look like. Just a quick little flash blur. Real simple, just drag and drop and keep going. Now I'm gonna drag my flash blur 2 on there, show y'all what that look like. Kinda like the last one, but it goes a different direction. Show y'all what the glitch look like real quick. RGB glitch 1. Put that back for y'all. Let me show you the RGB warp glitch. This is RGB zoom swirl. Yeah, man, so you could do plenty of stuff with the presets, make your editing game way faster, a little saucier. So make sure you check out my pack. Alright, and that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Link will be in the description below to my website where you can cop the preset packs. Make sure you check out all my other preset packs. I got plenty of sauce on there. Speed up your editing game, all types of things. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at A32 visuals with a Z. And make sure you follow my personal page, creative D___. With that being said, I'm out.